But it gets so bad where like if I lay down on my back, I can't lift my hips off the ground.
Good. What do you think about that one?
Yeah, that was nice.
Good start.
I wish everybody could do that.
Stay relaxed for me. Ooh, you still had a lot in there. Wow. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Good. What do you think about it?
It's awesome.
Press your elbow back into my arm.
That was loud.
Super easy.
Yeah.
Very loud. Hold it here. Press back. Solid.
I barely felt that one, but it's like really loud.
All right. How do you feel?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it good compared to the other adjustments you've had?